Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't just get distracted by this little one over here. She refuses to leave my room. And hey, I'm a mom, real life over here. My name is Karen. I'm gonna get her ready after I get ready, okay? So don't judge the look. Say hi.
Hi.
Say my name is Luna.
My name is Luna.
Oh, I am going to get ready. I just picked up the new Jaclyn. Well, yeah, I just picked it up because she had a 25% off. I think I wasn't going to pay full price for this. I'm starting to learn that everything that I want eventually goes on sale, and I don't do as great on YouTube to be the first one to buy it that everyone in the world is going to be watching my review. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to stop spending so much money and try to pay at a discount if I can. Like right now, I got the Huda in my cart, the new Empowered. I got the Natasha Denona in my cart. What else do I have? I got the House Labs in my cart, the foundation, the bronzer, and the highlighter. That highlighter, I've heard wonderful things about it, but it's very expensive. So I'm waiting for the VIB sale haul. I have about $600 worth in my cart right now. Yeah. But let me prep my skin first because I actually like to do my eyes now and then my face. So I'm going to take some old and new products because, hey, I have a lot of makeup that I could be using. Okay, so I'm going to take this Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. I've already moisturized my face, and I took the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. I like to take a mattifying primer. And actually, I forget if I even like this. So I just started decluttering again. If you haven't seen any of my declutters, I'll have it linked down below. So I'm really trying to remember if I like certain things. Because if I don't, I'm just going to get rid of it. This is actually really like tacky. My nose is definitely my most oily spot. Okay, I'm going to take this Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer. And taking this Jeffree Star brush. Ouch, I just poked myself. So as you can see, it has a good color base to it, which is why I like it. Maybe a little bit lighter would have been great. I'm going to take Picnic first to set this a little bit. It's a white. Okay, it's not as pigmented as I thought. So now I'm going to take Picnic Pie, and I'm going to take it on a BK Beauty 102 brush. And let's go ahead and start blending the upper crease area. It's nicely pigmented, guys. I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush in JH34. Let's go ahead and take October. And let me take that in deeper to create some depth on my crease. Ooh, they're pigmented. So you guys, let's talk a little bit. My daughters, Brianna and Iris, and my stepdaughter Jaclyn all went to a homecoming dance last night, each separately. So Iris's boyfriend is still he's a senior now, even though she graduated. He's a senior. And so he invited her to homecoming. So she went, and Brianna would have been going to that same high school if we didn't move. So she still had a lot of old friends in that old school, in that high school. So one of her friends invited her to homecoming. So it was really, really cute. It's funny how they each got ready separately too. So I helped Brianna in the morning do her hair and a little bit of her makeup. And then she ran off with her friends to do like a photo shoot and everything. Because like all the friends were meeting up and having food. Each with their couples. And I can't believe I'm saying it like that. I have a feeling I'm going to be asked soon if Brianna can have a boyfriend, to be honest. She'll be 15. It's crazy times, guys. Okay, I'm going to take Berry Whipped now. Same brush. I just wiped it on my switch. And I'm going to take this in my outer corner. And this is just going to deepen up the look some more. So anyways, and then Iris had to work in the morning, so she rushed home to get herself ready. So after Brianna left, after I dropped her off, I helped Jaclyn get ready, my stepdaughter. And she has super, super long hair. So we did her hair, we did her makeup. Oh, that's pretty, guys. Okay, let me grab this e.l.f. brush here. Okay, so now I'm going to take Sugar Coated. That's pretty. I'm only going to put this in the center. Ooh, that is pretty. Packs a punch with a brush, guys. But I love these e.l.f. brushes, guys. You can get them for like $1. Maybe they've gone up a little because of this whole inflation thing, but they're still really good brushes. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to swish this. And now I'm going to take Picnic. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner. Picnic is not as pigmented as I would like. Maybe if I would have put another like base under there. As you can see, I'm having to go in a couple of times. Okay, I'm going to take this Tres Luce B101 brush, swish this, and I'm just going to clean up the edges. I'm not taking any extra product. Just trying to soften up these edges. Let me take this Urban Decay Hydromanic Tinted Glow Hydrator, and I'm just going to go straight in. I'm going to take this blinged brush in F32. Take my stands out sponge to soften that up. I look like a ghost. I'm going to take the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I'm almost done with this, which is so weird because I never finish. And this is actually darker than the foundation. It's okay. Take my favorite sponge. You know why this is a favorite? First of all, it's a favorite because I don't have to wet it. It blends everything out perfectly, and I'm too lazy to get up and go to the restroom to wet a beauty blender. And then it just leaves your skin so smooth. Like, I love how this blends. I'm going to take the Ella Loose bronzer. It's the first time that I actually put it directly on my face like this, because I was afraid of it moving my foundation, but I actually like that. Blending very nice. I let it like warm up on my skin a bit. Didn't set. That's pretty. I'm going to take the M Cosmetics Cream Blush in Venetian Rose with an e.l.f. like flat brush. That is so pretty. Let me go ahead and set everything with the one size powder. F34 from Bling Brushes is a go-to to set my under eyes. Okay, I'm going to go in with my Tres Luce B121 small, very small brush. And I'm going to go in with Berry Whipped one more time. And I'm going to take that under my lower lash line. I really liked how my makeup look came out. Okay, I'm going to finish up, you guys, you know, mascara, eyeliner, and then I'll be right back, okay? This is what the face looks like right now. I look super pale still. I forgot to bronze. Well, I bronze with the cream, but I need to bronze with some powder because I am very, 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 very pale right now. So I'm going to take some Charlotte Tilbury and let's bronze up this face. Okay, let me do my lips. I'm going to take this tiny Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I'm going to take this Jaclyn lip. This is the final look, you guys. What do we think? I really like how the eye makeup turned out. This palette, I'm glad I waited to get it at a discount because these are not everyday shades for me. So like, you know, for every once in a while when I want to put on a pink, this would be great, the Strawberry collection. And I love collecting Jaclyn Hill. So yep, I'm happy with the palette. I'm happy with the makeup look. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like this Get Ready with me. I'm going to go and eat with my girls. I'm going to finish getting Luna ready because her hair is a mess. But show them your outfit. Your shirt, your pants. And we got to do your hair because you look a mess. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say bye.
Bye.
Wait, let me look. Bye.
Bye.
Let's do our signature kiss. Mwah.